So, before we agree or disagree, I want you to think about something. If tattoos were such an accurate indicator of mental illness, then why do we psychologists spend years learning assessments? Why do we take detailed case histories? We conduct clinical interviews, we perform mental status examinations, we use psychometric assessments. Why do we spend hours trying to understand your emotions, relationships, thoughts, behavior patterns, coping styles, life experiences? Suppose a client walks into my clinic, no tattoos. Congratulations, you are mentally healthy. Another client walks in with a full sleeve tattoo. Trauma, anxiety, maybe a personality disorder. Sounds ridiculous, right? Psychology would become incredibly easy. Now, some people might say, but research shows tattooed individuals report higher rates of certain mental health concerns. And that's true. Some studies have found associations between tattooing and things like anxiety, depression, sensation seeking, substance use, risk taking behaviors, childhood adversity. But here's where people often make a mistake. They confuse association with diagnosis. Let me give you an example. Research shows that people who go to gym are more likely to consume protein powder. That's probably true. But if I see someone drinking a protein shake, can I conclude they are a gym goer? Or if I see someone at the gym, can I conclude they are drinking protein powder? Of course not. A trend in a group doesn't become a diagnosis for an individual. Imagine I tell you that people with anxiety are more likely to wear spectacles. Would you start diagnosing anxiety by looking at someone's glasses? No, right? Because even if that association existed, spectacles wouldn't tell you whether the person is anxious, why they are anxious, how severe it is, or whether they meet diagnostic criteria for anything at all. The same logic applies to tattoos. A tattoo is not a diagnosis. It's a piece of information, and without context, it tells us very little. In fact, research itself is much more nuanced than people think. Some studies have found positive psychological outcomes associated with tattooing, like prospective research has found improvements in self esteem and reduction in appearance anxiety after getting a tattoo. Research on how people judge tattooed individuals has also found that observers often make confident personality judgments that are largely inaccurate. For some people, a tattoo may be linked to identity formation, self expression, reclaiming ownership of the body, meaning making, memory, rather than psychopathology. Think about it. One person gets a tattoo after losing some loved one. Another gets one because they love art. Someone else gets one to celebrate a milestone. Another person gets one because their friends were getting tattoos and they like the design or simply the concept of getting a tattoo. Same behavior, completely different stories, and that's what psychology is interested in. Not just the tattoo, the story, the meaning, the function, the context. As psychologists, the moment we start diagnosing people based on appearance, we are doing stereotyping. Human beings are not averages. Research studies look at groups, therapy and assessment focus on individuals, and those two are very different things. So, no, tattoos are not a very accurate indicator of mental illness. Psychology exists because human beings are far more complex than what we can see on the surface. A tattoo can tell you that someone chose to put ink on their skin. It cannot tell you their diagnosis or why. That distinction matters. Psychology starts when stereotypes end. So, what do you think about it? Put it down in the comment below. Let's talk.